guys, and welcome back to my channel. If you're new to my channel, welcome to my channel. My name is Nicole. I do weekly videos for you guys, and I usually have I lost a nail. Anyways, if you like what you see, please don't forget to subscribe, hit the notification bell so that when I upload, you are notified. Yeah, that's the whole reason. Anyways, with that being said, today's video is an exciting video because I get to play around with new skincare and share with you guys the products and everything in between. Yeah, if you want to know what's in this box, then please keep on watching. I'm really excited because these people, oh my God, I was so blown away. They're called La Maison Clayton Shagal, high-end body and facial treatments for women and men. And this is for, so there's a bunch of goodies. I'm gonna insert some clips of like them up close and personal. So there's just so much. And of course they asked me what skincare that I wanted. And I said sensitive skin because I do have sensitive skin ever since I had my babies. But even before that, I had sensitive skin. It came in this beautiful box, which you can see here. But yeah, I can't wait to unbox with you guys and try this on. But first things first, I gotta take all this makeup off. I just really wanted it on. All right, so I cleaned my face. So I cleaned my face, but I just wanted to give you guys some backstory on this company. So they are Clayton Shagal's, distributed in several countries, either online at claytonshagal.com or exclusive spas, beauty salons, institutes, and clinics. La Maison Shagal is a Canadian family business that develops, manufactures, and distributes a line of 38 high-end body and facial skincare products for women and men. Our head office and laboratories are located north of Montreal. It was in 1980 that the co-founders, Miss Lise Denomé and Mr. Daniel Renaud, began their entrepreneurial adventure, which led to Clayton Shagal brand being born in 1982. Now, at the head of the family business, Melanie and Robert Renaud are leading the company with their own expertise and are always on the lookout for new trends that will allow them to develop new products with the help of their experienced team and continue to stand out in the skincare industry. That's so exciting. The first product that we're gonna talk about is this one. So this is the Milk Cleanser, which you guys, it smells like heaven. And this one is in the group of cleansers. There's a milk cleanser, there's a gel lotion cleanser, and a purifying gel cleanser. But the milk cleanser is really, really gorgeous. There we go. And it goes on really clear, really, really nice. It smells really nice. It's not really scented, it's kind of unscented, but it's really, really nice. I can't wait to try this, but like again, the full review will be on the blog. Another product line is this one right here. So this is in the purple packaging. This is a moisturizing mask, which is amazing. So they have mask scrubs. So they have a moisturizing mask, which is the one I have. They have a cucumber and avocado mask, mochaccino mask, AHA exfoliating mask, bamboo and honey exfoliant oat brand scrub, which is the other one that I have, but we're gonna talk about this one first. So this is the moisturizing mask. Oh, it smells so nice. So it's clear, it goes on really, really nice. I'm like, oh, it's super, super nice. Like I can't wait for this. The next product is the Oat Brand Scrub. So this is in the green tube. And this one, more gritty, I guess. Doesn't really smell. Doesn't really smell, but the packaging is like on point, like no joke. But yeah, there's like little flecks of the scrub, which I can't wait to try. Super, super cute. But again, the full review will be on the blog. So that is 3 products so far, and then 3 more to go, which I'm so excited because these ones are the ones I'm gonna be trying in front of you guys, which I'm so excited about. So this one, you guys, ooh, this is gonna be my best friend. This is the Hyaluronic Acid Serum. If there's one product that you guys need for skincare, it is a serum. You guys need a serum and a serum and a serum. I'm not joking, like this one, I'm so excited, like I can't even wait. Oh yes, give it to me. Oh, that smells so good. Great. I did 2 pumps. Well, I did like 3 because I'm just like super, oh my God, this smells, oh my God. I'm so excited. Oh my God. So there's a bunch of serums. So there's a collagen serum, there's an elastin serum, and there's the hyaluronic acid serum. So there's 3 in that set with the blue. This is really cool to know. Like, I find with skincare, there's a lot of big words, but I feel like this brand itself kind of just breaks it down where this is this, and it's this. I love that, like beyond. And again, this is something that you need. Any kind of serum, collagen, elastin serums, hyaluronic acid, which is very important. So that is the blue, my fave. It goes on super smooth. It's not sticky or tacky. Super, super nice. Like, I'm beyond obsessed. The next product, I'm so excited. So we have a face cream. So this one is in the copper brown kind of thing. And you guys, this one is super, super thick. Look at that. Look at that. Smells really, really pretty. I'm gonna do it on my hands because so it goes on like that. Just blend it in. It honestly smells like a lavender peony rose kind of color, or kind of smell. Super, super nice. Like beyond gorgeous. Like, this packaging is beautiful to display, like super nice. So with the face creams, they have a Hydra Light Cream, an Ultra Mattifying Cream, Hydra 1 Cream, Illumine Cream, Hydra Derm Cream, Sensi Derm Cream, Idra Tense Cream, and then Nutri Sublime Cream. And so I have Sensiderm Cream because I have sensitive skin. So that one I will be putting on as well, but I just kind of want to do the gel. Like, I really want to do the gel. So I could probably do all of them, but the next one is the Elastin Gel Plus. So this is in the green containers, and there you have the collagen gel, the collagen gel plus, the Elastin gel, and then this is the Elastin Gel Plus. And it's an in-depth moisturizer, which, you guys, like, look how glamorous that is. Oh my God, I'm like dying. Dying. Oh my God, so gorgeous. And it smells so nice. Oh my God, so, so nice. Like, beyond. Oh, everything smells so nice. It feels so nice on the skin. And you can do this before your makeup or when you go to bed, which is always a good thing. Make sure you guys are moisturizing and hydrating your face and protecting your face because, you know, the harsh sun rays will do skin damage. So I am beyond excited. Thank you so much to Clayton Shagal for this amazing, amazing skincare line. You guys can get it down below. I promise you guys will not be disappointed. It is beyond amazing. And again, thank you so much for watching this video and unboxing this amazingness. But make sure you guys head over to the blog. Everything will be posted there. And this video is just an unboxing just to show you how amazing these products are. And make sure you guys have them in your skincare routine. Definitely worth it. And yeah, I will pan to the outro. That is the end of this video. Thank you so much for watching. I did the outro because I just didn't want to be plain-faced, but you know what I mean. So thank you so much for watching, you guys. I can't wait to keep this into my skincare routine, which is absolutely amazing. For the full review, this is just a first impressions, but for the full review, please go to my blog, lifestyleofleslie.com, to get the full review and just photos, etc., so that you know exactly how I feel and what products I have been loving. That's the end of this video. Thank you so much for watching, and hopefully you guys subscribe for more, like, comment what you want to see next, and hit that bell so you are notified. So thank you guys so much for watching. I love you guys. Mwah. Bye.